Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Lectalks YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain another problem of on data rate and signal rate. So let's see what is the problem. Here you can see the problem question is an analog signal has a bit rate of 6000 bits per second and a baud rate of 2000 baud. Analog signal has a bit rate of 6000 bits per second and a baud rate of 2000 baud. How many data elements are carried by each signal element? This question was asked in UGC NET CS 2014 in the month of December. So let's solve this question. The options are available here. So here the solution, the given data, bit rate, that means bit rate is given. Bit rate means n, the value of n is 6000 bits per second. And the baud rate, that is signal rate S is equal to 2000 bits per baud, 2000 baud. Okay. So now, how many data elements are carried by each signal element? We know that here you can see, suppose this is an analog signal. And this is a cycle. So just like this, the analog signal can be just like this. So here it says how many data elements are carried by each signal element. So this is one signal element, we can say. This is another signal element. So how many data elements are carried by this signal element? Let's see. This is one signal element in positive axis. And this is another signal element in negative axis. So how many data elements are being transmitted? Okay, so let's see. So there is a formula in the last video. I have explained you. The formula was S is equal to C into N into 1 by R. C is the case factor. As it is not given here in this question. Case factor is not given here, so we can consider it as 1. So now our value will be CS is equal to N divided by N into 1 by R. S will be N into 1 by R. Okay, so N is the data rate and R we have to calculate. So as case factor is not given, so consider case factor as 1 and S will be N into 1 by R. So what do you mean by R? We know R is equal to number of data elements per number of signal elements, or we can say number of bits per signal elements. Number of bits per number of signal elements. Okay, so here as per the question, number of bits per baud. So let's see, it is asking how many data elements are carried by each signal element. So in this question, let's put the value of S and N and we will calculate the value of R. So implies from this formula, S is equal to N into 1 by R. So let's put the value of S, which is equal to 2000 is equal to 6000 divided by R. So now I can write the value of R is equal to 6000 divided by 2000, which will give you the value of 3. Okay, so 3 means number of data bits or number of signal elements. So what is the value of what the question is asked? How many data elements are carried by each signal element? So number of bits is 3 here. So R is equal to, so implies here I can write from this R is equal to 3. So we know R is the number of bits per signal element, number of bits per signal element. So the value of data elements or number of data elements are 3. Okay, so in this question the answer will be 3 bits per bird, 3 bits per bird. That is option number B will be the correct option. Okay, so if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.